Today it's all about rice, and I'm going to be showing you how to make carrot rice, which is super easy and simple to prepare and also very delicious. You're going to find every ingredient listed in the description box in the right quantity. Also check out my rice playlist up here or in the description box for more rice recipes. So to get started, I'm going to place a pot over high flame, add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. To my cooking pot, I'm going to add in 1 onion, some ginger, some mustard seeds, and 1 bay leaf. Saute the onions until soft. Cooking the mustard seeds is going to make the seeds very aromatic, so don't skip that step. Add in a teaspoon of salt. Stir in the salt. And before my onion starts to brown, I'm going to add in 1 cup of shredded carrots. Stir in. Saute the carrots for around 30 seconds while stirring frequently. Then next I'm going to add in my washed rice. Toss the rice in the pot for around a minute until crispy. After 1 minute, this is how the rice is looking. You can spot the mustard seeds and the carrot as well. Then next I'm going to add in 2 cups of water. Stir in the rice into the water until everything is fully combined. Also check the seasoning so that the rice can be perfectly seasoned. So I used 1 cup of rice for 2 cups of water. Also I washed my rice and soaked for around 20 minutes. You're going to cook the carrot rice until the water has reduced, just like I'm showing you. Next you're going to cover your pot and simmer on low for around 5 minutes so that your rice can fully cook. After 5 minutes, this is how my rice is looking, and the rice is looking delicious. This is how my rice is looking. You can spot the carrot, the mustard seeds. Also my carrot rice has a hue of orange from the carrots. You can pair the carrot rice with some plant-based curries or even some proteins, and it will be very delicious. So I hope you'll be trying out this rice recipe, which is very easy and the outcome is just delicious.